If you're looking for a way to build scalable referral programs, PartnerStack is one of the best tools out there, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to boost your affiliate and referral marketing efforts. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up your PartnerStack account, create campaigns, track performance, and leverage it to grow your business, all without getting lost in the weeds. Stick around to the end for an exclusive bonus where I'll share how you can try PartnerStack completely free. PartnerStack is a referral and partner management platform designed to help companies build scalable, automated, and profitable affiliate programs. The software connects you with affiliates, manages payouts, tracks referrals, and scales your referral campaigns all in one place. It's especially useful for SaaS businesses, marketers, and anyone looking to incentivize their partners to spread the word about their products or services. Once you sign up for PartnerStack, the first thing you'll need to do is create your partner program. In the dashboard, you'll see a clean, user-friendly interface where you can set up a program tailored to your business goals. You can define the structure of your referral program, whether that's a simple affiliate program or a more complex multi-tier system with different commission rates. This flexibility is key for scalability. You want to design a system where the more affiliates you bring on, the more your program can grow without adding complexity. Next, PartnerStack allows you to customize your referral rewards, and this is where it gets exciting. You can set flat or percentage-based commissions, pay per sale, or even set recurring commissions. The platform gives you complete control over your incentive structure, so whether you want to reward one-time purchases or long-term subscriptions, you've got the tools to do that. Once you've set up your program, you'll need to bring affiliates on board. PartnerStack makes it easy for affiliates to sign up and start promoting your products. They can register directly through a branded sign-up page that you can customize to fit your business. You can also integrate the platform with your website or CRM to track leads and conversions. Everything is automated, meaning you don't have to waste time manually managing affiliates or payouts. But the real power of PartnerStack lies in its performance tracking. The dashboard gives you real-time data on clicks, conversions, revenue, and affiliate performance all in one place. You can easily track which affiliates are performing well and which aren't, so you can optimize your strategy over time. Plus, PartnerStack offers reporting features that help you understand the effectiveness of your referral campaigns, helping you make data-driven decisions. As for payouts, PartnerStack handles all the logistics, from calculating commissions to paying affiliates. You can set up automatic payments on a schedule that works best for your business, whether that's weekly, monthly, or per campaign. This saves you the hassle of manual invoicing and ensures that your affiliates are always paid on time. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This all sounds great, but how do I actually make sure I'm getting results? That's where the scaling power of PartnerStack comes in. It's designed to grow with your business. As your partner network expands, the system adapts to handle more affiliates, more campaigns, and more complex payout structures. Whether you're working with influencers, resellers, or brand ambassadors, PartnerStack gives you the tools to scale without a hitch. And here's where the exclusive offer comes in. If you click the link in the description below, you'll get access to PartnerStack for free, along with our special bonuses to help you hit the ground running with your referral program. So to recap, PartnerStack lets you create a scalable referral program, track performance in real time, and automate the process of rewarding affiliates, making it a perfect tool for businesses looking to expand their reach. If you're serious about growing your business and leveraging partnerships to do so, this platform is a game changer. Make sure to grab your exclusive free trial by using the link below and start using PartnerStack to build a referral program that's both simple and scalable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.